take it straight to the equity markets, which dominated all of the action today. A spellbinding move on the upside, and we saw the highest level on the Sensex and the Nifty since the 14th of August, backed by very strong volume activity and a healthy market breadth at that. 55.92 is where we shut shop for the Nifty, and the Sensex shut shop at 18,979. The broader markets too did contribute on the upside, but were a tad lackluster in comparison to the movement on the frontline indices. You had the Bank Nifty, in fact, which was really a good pillar of strength today. It did touch its highest level, in fact, since the May 2009, to inch up a good 10% almost. That's 822 points. Real estate as well as PSU stocks did contribute on the upside with very healthy gains, and on account of the appreciation in the rupee, you had the technology and the IT index, which looked quite weak. Top gainers came in the form of banking stocks. So Axis Bank saw a smart gain today of almost 16%, SBI too, as well as BHEL and Kotak Mahindra Bank in the limelight on the upside. In fact, you had a slew of counters from the banking arena, the likes of a Yes Bank as well, which soared very smartly on account of the news that Raghuram Rajan is going to take some bold steps in order to iron out a lot of issues in the banking sector. They completely ignored the fact that Moody's had downgraded 11 banks' sub-debt ratings on increased bail-in risk, so that factor was completely not heeded to. And in fact, you had the RBI, which offered the lenders the option to swap dollar deposits as one of the clauses, and that really saw a good spurt in the banking stocks. Apart from that, Tata Motors was in focus. The JLR US retail sales for August came in higher by 40% on a year-on-year basis and higher by 18% on a month-on-month basis, and the stock was pretty cheery in the session. Apart from that, you did have ASHOK Leyland in focus. Well, CLSA downgraded it to an outperform from buy, but it did up the target, in fact, to a level of, in fact, it lowered the target to 14.5 from an earlier 24. Kanhaiya, exclusive information on that one. We understand that they are looking to sell a 19-acre Chennai property, and that is expected to fetch something like close to 500 crores. The money raised through that sale, of course, will be reinvested into the core business. Kanhaiya is the stock I'm referring to. Apart from that, you had JP Power, which was up and about as Deutsche Bank upgraded it to buy from hold, raising the target price to 30 from an earlier 19 rupees, saying that the forest clearance from the Environment Ministry will deleverage the company's balance sheet. Something like REC was also in focus as it plans to sell one of its units to L&T Infra for a sum of 15 crores. Index losers, well, we said that the IT basket was a bit weak. Apart from that, Sesa Goa sulked in the session. So Infi as well as TCS down and out. But Lupin also gave up some of its gains to end lower by 2.5%.